Housing finance is often reliant on paper-driven processes in today's digital world, and it's really hard to make progress on long-standing challenges when we continue to do things the same way we've always done them. Fintech, when responsibly used, has the power to really improve the borrower's experience within the mortgage industry by reducing barriers, increasing efficiencies, and lowering costs.
FHFA is doing the TechSprint because we believe this is the best way to really get the best ideas on innovation and technology.
Data is the focus of the TechSprint, how to increase data digitization and mortgage processes broadly. Data is really at the foundation and the heart of technology. It's at the heart of responsible innovation. And a lot of what we're trying to do in the Office of Financial Technology at FHFA.
The lessons we learn over the next few years will move us towards a housing finance system that's accessible, affordable, and sustainable.
That you're sitting in a moment in history right now. But history does not feel historic when you're sitting in it. It just feels like another day. But that does not mean that the moment is not, in fact, historic.
One of the really neat value propositions of the TechSprint model is you bring together people that maybe haven't been talking to each other in the mortgage ecosystem, coming together for a concentrated period of time and coming up with these creative solutions.
I looked at this TechSprint as a fantastic opportunity for the industry to come together, collaborate, and solve pretty complex issues and problems.
It was an opportunity to be at the table with regulators, with the agencies, advocates, lenders.
It was an incredible opportunity to be on the ground level of true change.
It's a rare opportunity to get to do this in collaboration with a government agency to come together and work on innovation in this way.
It was absolutely incredible to see the creativity of the presentations, the excitement in the room, the excitement of the judges, the excitement of the teams, and lots of ideas coming out that I think really can get traction and momentum going forward.
The willingness to think through solutions that had nothing to do with today's ecosystem in mortgage originations, and having the foresight and the wherewithal to think through what those solutions might look like and be bold enough to bring those out.
The necessity of public-private partnerships, that when government works alongside the private sector, and when the private sector is really moving in a direction in which it's looking to work with and to amplify the mission of different government agencies, you can really achieve some meaningful change.
There are a lot of conversations that go on in different areas across the mortgage industry of how we could fix it, but never at this level and bringing the greatest minds together.
I think this is inaugural. I think the industry needs it to occur again and again and again.
We're all a part of this bigger picture. We're all a part of this movement to innovate, and we have that as a shared goal.
The real work starts when we leave today.